again, everybody. Hi, everyone. Asong Filipina here. Welcome back. And again, I'm gonna show you my toenail polish today. It's very nice and it's really bloody red. So this is the toenail polish today. And then I have to put lotion since it looks dry. So my dog wants to come up here. So today I'm going to try on dress and also some flats. Now I have a pair of flats and two pair of high heels. So we're gonna walk for that. So this is my toenails today, it's red. So I have this dress I'm gonna try on, and then this is not a sponsored video. It's okay. So this is the dress, and for now I'm wearing the flip-flops. And okay, I'm gonna show you, I have my flip-flops here. Hi, so I have flip-flops here with me. So I'm gonna walk with the flip-flops, and then I have also this, I call it touring sandal because it's with ring design in the front. And the witches flip-flops. Silver, this is new one. So later on I'm gonna wear this one for my driving video. So first I'm gonna try this on. Fits good with my toenail polish. So I'm gonna walk with this. Dark here. Have to on the light. So next is we're going to try the flip-flops. So let me know which one is best. I think all. I did not wear stiletto high heels today because I don't want to ruin my nail polish since it's red and I really love the color. Put it aside. Oh, I forgot to put an anklet. The weather today is raining, so it's rainy day. Later on, I'm going to pick up my daughter at school. So I'm gonna wear one of these sandals for my driving later. So we're done with the flat sandal, we're done with the flip-flops with Jess and these flats, silver flip-flops, and now we're going to do the heels. So this one is with 2 rings, so I'm gonna try on. So I wear shorts, so so this is how it looks like. I'm gonna show you close. I don't. Well, that's all for now. I hope you like this walking video, and then I see you next vlog. Bye everyone, love you all.